I've been getting a lot of questions lately from clients asking me whether or not they should consent to a breath test, a breathalyzer, or a blood draw. A lot of times, officers nowadays are doing a blood draw because lately they found it a lot more efficient and it's easier to determine what the blood alcohol content is through a blood draw. And what they do is they go to a magistrate court judge, sometimes through video, and they ask the magistrate court judge, or they tell them first why they stopped you. You were either weaving or you had an accident, and when they spoke to you, you smelled of alcohol, or that you were exhibiting signs of intoxication, you were stuttering or slurring speech, and then they had you do some field sobriety tests. Those I would not recommend doing. There's no law stating that you have to do the field sobriety test. Field sobriety tests is the HGN test, horizontal gaze nystagmus. It's also the walking turn test. Do 9 steps straight and then another 9 steps backward, going the other way. And then there is another test called the balancing test. Those tests are not required. I would recommend anybody who's being investigated for a DUI to never do those tests. So it's not against the law to not do them. Now, again, some people are going to be over the legal limit, which is 0.08 blood alcohol content. And if you do the test, it comes back positive that you're over the legal limit. The case is not over. However, it is per se count for driving under the influence of alcohol. So these are really complicated terms. I recommend everybody to sit down and speak with an attorney.